Welcome to this edition of CPWN. I'm Clarence Ponsler. Well, we have the Christmas tree right behind me in honor of the Christmas holiday season. We also have more Christmas decorations. We have this garland. We have the stocking. There's more garland, at least in the living room. But the calendars say we are after the holiday season, unfortunately. In fact, as of this taping, we are multiple weeks into the year 2025. That means this Christmas tree and its decorations will have to be taken down. There went the Christmas tree and its decorations until the next holiday season. And thanks for watching CPWN. Clarence Ponsler saying, have a great day or evening if it is nighttime. Goodbye.